Hey guys, it's MDXgunner here. Today I'm going to show y'all how to make a theme for Winterboard, Cydia, yeah, so those two, and this is only available for jailbroken devices. So yeah, so what you want to first do is go ahead and make a folder, right click, new, and folder, and then go ahead and name this folder the name that you want your theme to be. So I'll just put MDXgunner. Alright, so once you have that, go ahead and open Photoshop or any other type of editing software for pictures and stuff. And go ahead and make a file, new. And name this wallpaper, oops, with the capital W. And what you want it to have is dimensions of 320 by 480. And make sure that it's on pixels. And then once you have that, go ahead and click OK. Now it should look like an iPod screen, kind of the same. It is actually the exact same. So I already have a picture, but you can do whatever you want. You can make it gradient, you can make it rainbow and stuff. So I already have a picture though, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Oh, maybe I deleted it. So I'm just gonna make it gradient then. So pick my two colors real quick. How about red to green? Alright, so once you have your two colors, or doesn't matter what you want, but I'm gonna use two colors and just kind of a straight line. Oops, I don't want that, I want this. So there you go. That's gonna be the background, like the wallpaper in the back of the screen. So when you have whatever you want it to have, go ahead and click Save As. Make sure it's wallpaper and make sure it's saved as a PNG. And once you have that, go ahead and save it into your theme, or your theme folder that you just made. So once you have that, go ahead and click Save. And let it save real quick. And next thing you're going to want to do is a new one. And name this one Doc. We're going to be making the dock now. Make sure it's capital. And then we're going to need the dimensions 320 by 91. So you have that, go ahead and click OK. And now do the same. Make a picture in the background of the dock, whatever you want. I'm just going to use the gradient tool, but this time it's going to be transparent, I guess. Red to transparent. And I'm going to be coming from this way. That's going to be my dock, maybe a little like that. Alright, so once you have that, go ahead and click Save As again. Save it into, make sure it's in your folder, and make sure it's doc with the capital D and PNG. Click Save. Okay. And the next thing we're going to be making is the status bar. So go ahead and click New, and type in or status bar with the capital S and bar B. Sorry. Exactly like that. We're going to be making it 320 by 20. Then go ahead and click OK. And now it should be kind of looking like a status bar. Again, make this whatever you want. I'm gonna do the same thing with red. And maybe a little green in the center. Oh, my bad. Maybe a little bit of greenish bluish in the center. I like it right there. Oops, that didn't work out. Oh, I'll just have it green. Alright, so once you have that, go ahead and click File, Save As, and name this one status bar, and make sure it's PNG, and go ahead and save that into the same file, and click OK. Alright, so once you have that, go ahead and minimize it, and you should have the things that you have. Your dock, your status bar, and your wallpaper. It should look like this. Then what you want to do, we're going to add some cool UI images. So go ahead and click File, and then a new folder again, and then type in UI images. Oops, spelled that wrong, sorry. Images. Once you have that, then go ahead and minimize it or exit out. I'm going to go ahead and exit it out so it doesn't, oops, my bad. And then once you have that, go ahead and click File, New again. And we're gonna name this UI page indicator. UI page indicator with UI capitalized, the P in page capitalized, and the I in indicator capitalized. These dimensions are gonna be 8 by 9. So these are gonna be really small. Now what this is, it's like if you look at the bottom of your iTouch, it's like which page you're at right now. So this is gonna be when you're not at the page. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it black, just so that's when you're not at it. So go ahead and click when you do that, go ahead and click save. Open it, make sure it's saved in the UI images, and make sure it's UI page indicator and as a PNG. Go ahead and click save. Okay. And the last thing we're gonna be doing, do new again. This time you name it UI page indicator again, but this time add current. Now this is the one you're gonna be on the page. Same thing with 8 and height 9. Click OK. I'm gonna just make this one white. So click save as and go to make sure it's in UI images again. Same name, PNG. Go ahead and click save. Alright, so once you have that, I'm gonna show you the rest of the stuff in a second. I'll be right back, and I'm gonna go get my iTouch. Alright guys, so we're back, and I'm now gonna be showing y'all what to do on the iPod Touch, which y'all can see in the bottom right. So go ahead and log into your iPod or iPhone, or even iPad. And what you want to do is go ahead and download this app. It's called WhatIP. I don't think you can see what the icon looks like, but just search it in Cydia, and it should be right there. And it'll just show you what your IP is. Next thing you need to download is called OpenSSH. Wait, I don't think I said that right, but it'll be in the description if you want to check that out. You will need it for this because it allows SSH to be on your iTouch. So let's go ahead and put that down for now after you downloaded those two things from Cydia, and let's on the computer. And what you want to download on the computer is WinSCP. So go ahead and open up that. Don't mind that. Okay, what you want to do is hostname. The hostname will be what your WinIP is. WhatIP. Oops, it's that way. So go ahead and go to WhatIP. And I will be typing in mine. So mine is, which I will not be telling you. So I would rather not get hacked by y'all. So port number should be 22. Username would be root. This is for everybody. Password Alpine. That will be in the description as well. And when you do that, go ahead and click login. And then it should just find your host. And that's all you need for the iPod for now. So once you have that, it should show your documents on the left and your whatchamacallit on the right, your iPod on the right. So what you want to do is go up to this drop down folder and go to where it shows a slash and then root. So click on that and then find var and then scroll down to stash. Sorry, took me a while to find. And then once you're in stash, you should find themes. And now here should be all your Winterboard themes right here. This is where your theme comes in. So now come over here and where that folder is, find it, and mine's right here, and just drag that into here. Make sure that it's not in a folder. I'm gonna just click copy, and now it'll be copying your theme into the iTouch. So once you have that, that's it. So just let's go back onto the iTouch. Let me log in real quick. As you can see, I have a different theme on right here. I'm going to go down to Winterboard. Oh god, I tripped over my tripod. Anyways, go to select themes. And there it is. Good. I'm going to go ahead and undo my other ones. and your theme should be the first one. And if we do that, it'll take a while to load. And go ahead and readjust that since I tripped over it. My other one. I have trouble with that. And as you can see, the background is the red and green that I made. The dock is the greenish I made. The the indicators are white and black, which I also made. And then the status bar. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a cool thing. You can add more stuff like the apps and stuff, and have a cooler wallpaper than me, just for time's sake. But yeah, there's your theme. You can post it on Cydia by using Big Boss. Probably show that in another video. But yeah, make sure y'all comment, rate, and subscribe for this video. And yeah, see y'all later.